Hello, and welcome back to ForgeAdvisors, where your success is our mission. Today we delve into an intriguing topic: the best way to apologize, according to science. A good apology is more than just saying sorry. It's a powerful tool to mend bridges, enhance relationships, and foster understanding, both in our personal lives and professional interactions. But what does science tell us about crafting the perfect apology? Stay tuned to discover the science-backed approach to crafting a perfect apology. So, what does science tell us about the perfect apology? Well, let's dive into it. Numerous studies have been conducted on apologies and their effectiveness. The results are fascinating, revealing 5 key elements that make an apology resonate. Firstly, a sincere tone is paramount. Apologies must be genuine and heartfelt, not just empty words. Secondly, taking full responsibility is crucial. It's about acknowledging your mistake without shifting blame or making excuses. Next, showing empathy is a vital part of an apology. This involves understanding and acknowledging the other person's feelings. Fourthly, an effective apology offers a solution or a way to make amends. It's not just about saying sorry, it's about making things right. Lastly, timing is key. An apology given at the right time can make a world of difference. So avoid delaying or rushing your apology. Remember, the science of apology revolves around sincerity, responsibility, empathy, solution, and timing. Now that we know the science behind it, how can we apply this in real life? Well, here are some practical tips to make your apologies more effective and sincere. Firstly, it's crucial to convey sincerity. This means being genuine in expressing your regret, and not just saying sorry because you feel obligated to. Next, take responsibility. Acknowledge your mistake and don't attempt to deflect or justify. People appreciate honesty and are more likely to forgive when they see that you understand your misstep. Showing empathy is also key. Try to understand the other person's feelings and communicate that understanding to them. Moreover, offer a solution. Proposing a way to fix the problem or prevent it from happening again demonstrates your commitment to making things right. Lastly, choose the right timing. An apology can be more effective when delivered at an appropriate time, not when emotions are high or the other person is preoccupied. Applying these science-backed strategies can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your apologies. To wrap things up, remember that a sincere apology is more than just words. It's a science. We've explored how acknowledging the mistake, expressing regret, making amends, and promising not to repeat the error can work wonders in healing ruptured bonds. It's essential to remember that a good apology can be a powerful tool in maintaining healthy relationships. So, next time you're in the wrong, don't shy away from saying, "I'm sorry." Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more insightful contents. Until next time, keep winning.